Peace and blessings, beautiful people. Hi, I'm Kareen.
And I'm Betsy. And if you've been here before, then you know what it is. Welcome back. But if you're new, we'd like to welcome you to
The Pleatery!
Are y'all into everything green? Money green? Food green? Drinks green? We are. And today we got a green pasta ready for you. It is so good. It is so flavorful. It is literally all green. So beautiful to present. If you want to learn how to make it, stay tuned. Here's all the right stuff you'll need.
Let's get into breaking down this broccoli. First, we want to trim the stalk, then go in between the stalks and just cut them into smaller pieces. Now that you got your broccoli down to manageable pieces, let's bring it to a shallow water-filled pot and just dump those broccoli in there and have them, steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, let's get to cooking some pasta. Please do not just throw pasta in some regular bland water. Season it to the salty sea level, okay? Thank you. Mix that up, boil for about 3 minutes, and drain. To prevent these noodles from sticking, just drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and toss to coat. Now let's get to making the easiest sauce ever. Add your cooked broccoli to a blender, a splash of the broccoli water for motivation, crushed garlic, half of an avocado, milk, a handful of Parmesan cheese, salt to taste, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. And then blend on high until thick, smooth, and creamy. Now add your pasta to a large bowl, drizzle that thick creamy sauce all over, and then toss to coat. Now when it comes to plating, I like using tongs just to give the pasta some height. You just don't want to throw some food on the plate. Blah, who wants that? Anyways, garnish with cheese, and there you have it. Boom. Hey y'all, so you saw how quick and easy this pasta dish was. I mean, look at it. It has this amazing color. It's so simple. You can really bang this out for a dinner party, have a little side salad, really impress some people with like some really good flavors. Like a sauce made out of broccoli, like come on. It tastes luxurious.
So creamy, so good for you.
Exactly.
Full of nutrients.
And we get like the creaminess and richness also from the avocado, that little bit of from the cheese. It's just a good dish. It's a good dish.
You guys know what to do. If you make this dish yourself, give us a tag on Instagram and a follow while you're over there. Also, don't forget to use the hashtag #ThePleatery, CIY, so we know what you made in your kitchen and we want to see it too. Let's share.
Now always remember to eat good
and stay flexing. If you like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you could be notified of our future posts.